ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತು 2021 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಸಂವಹನ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ 2 ವಿಷಯ ಸಂಕೇತ 472 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸಿ KPSC ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಬಿಡಿಸೋಣ. ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ 51 ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 52 ಆರ್ದ ಪದದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಪದ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಶುಷ್ಕ. 53 ಪಂಚೇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಎನ್ನುವುದು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ದ್ವಿಗು ಸಮಾಸ. 54 ತಕರಾರು ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಈ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಪದ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಅರಬ್ಬಿ. 55 ಚಿತ್ರಕವಿತ್ವ ಎಂಬ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಬಳಕೆಯಾಗುವುದು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಅಲಂಕಾರ. 56 ಕುಳಿಗಾರ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 57 ಕೋಲಾಮಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಭಾಷಾ ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತದೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ದ್ರಾವಿಡ ವರ್ಗ. 58 ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೋಗವಾಹಕಗಳಿವೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4 2. 59 ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದವು ಕರ್ತೃಗಾಮಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಕರ್ತರಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ. 60 ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಸಮಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಅಂಶಿ ಸಮಾಸ. 61 ನಾಮವಾಚಕಗಳು ಧಾತುಗಳು ಹೊಂದುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೂಪ ಭೇದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದದೆ ಏಕರೂಪವಾಗಿ ಇರುವ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಅವ್ಯಯಗಳು. 62 ಅಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಿತೆಂದು ಕೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಸುರಿಸಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ವೃತ್ತಿ. 63 ಕುಠಾರ ಈ ಪದದ ತದ್ಭವ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಕೊಡಲಿ. 64 ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಈ ಶಬ್ದದ ಧಾತು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ನಂಬು. 65 ಕಥಾ ಇದರ ಕನ್ನಡ ರೂಪ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಕತೆ. ಜನರಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ directions to answer questions number 66 to 69. choose the word which is an antonym or the most opposite in the meaning to the underlined word and shade blacken the corresponding circle in your answer sheet. Example: girl was represented as a true patriot. Option 1 impatriot. Option 2 traitor. Option 3 trailer. Option 4 nationalist. Explanation: in the answer the word traitor, that is option 2, is the opposite of the underlined word patriot, so you have to shade blacken option 2 in your answer sheet. 66 question: my grandfather sank down into voluminous armchair. Option 1 small. 67 we have abundant evidence to prove his guilt. Option 2 scarce. 68 she hated the insolent tone of his voice. Option 1 respectful. 69 the picture has too much redundant detail. Option 2 employed. Direction: question number 70 to 73 are designed to test your ability to use the right prefix and add a prefix so that the word convey the meaning given in the brackets. Choose the most appropriate answer from the alternative given below to complete the word by adding the prefix and shade blacken the corresponding circle in your answer sheet. Example: the chief guest inaugurated a dash purpose society. The society that works for many purposes. Option 1 multi. Option 2 more. Option 3 force. Option 3 4. Option 4 none. Explanation: The correct answer is multi here, which is option 1 in your answer sheet. For example, 70. There has been a further small dash valuation against the dollar. Reduce the value of the dollar. Option 1 D. 71. He was worried that the plane might fire to fail to have the effect to not work correctly. Option 4 miss. 72. This month marks my first anniversary as a dash smoker, a person who does not smoke. Option 2 none. 73. If there was a dash marital agreement, the court would consider the matter happening before marriage. Option 1 pre. Direction for question numbers 74 to 77. Underlined idioms or phrase has been used in the sentence. You have to choose the sentence which explains the correct meaning of that. The shade blacken the correct answer in your answer sheet. Example: everyone speaks of gravity of employment in India, but very few suggest a way out of the wood. Option 1. Everyone speaks of the gravity of employment in the India, but very few suggest a way free from danger of difficulty. 2. Everyone speaks of the gravity of the employment in India, but very few suggest a way not to free from danger or difficulty. Option 3. Everyone speaks of the gravity of employment in India, but very few suggest a way in out of the danger. Everyone speaks of the gravity of the employment in India, but very few suggest difficulty. Explanation: the answer is option 1, as the underlined part means free from danger. So you have to choose option 1 and shade the blacken the corresponding answer in your answer sheet. 74. Willy-nilly he has to go there. Option 2. He wishes or not he has to go there. 75. The communal policy of the Aurangzeb put the last nail in the coffin of the Mughal. Option 2. The communal policy of Aurangzeb was the last event which brought about the complete end of the Mughal Empire. 76. Don't believe him, he is a wolf in sheep's clothing. Option 2. Don't believe him, he is a dangerous person who pretended to be harmful. 77. Shylock had a windfall and suddenly became rich. Option 1. Shylock had an unexpected good fortune and suddenly became rich. For question number 78 to 81, word phrase is given followed by 4 options. You have to select the option which explain the meaning of the word phrase and shade blacken the correct answer in your answer sheet. Example: amass, concrete, rotate, accumulate, separate. Amass means accumulate, as option 3 is correct, and you have to shade blacken the same in your answer sheet. 78. Naive. Option number 1 simple. 79. Imbecile. Option 1 mentally weak. 80. Squalid. Option 3 dirty. 81. Rootless. Option 4 merciless. Direction: question numbers 82 to 85 have an expression each which can be replaced by a single word. Choose the most appropriate word from among the alternative and shade blacken the corresponding circle in your answer sheet. Example: the story of a person's life written by another. Option 1 biography, option 2 autobiography, option 3 paragraphy, option 4 autobiography. Explanation: since biography is the most appropriate word for the given expression, you have to shade blacken the option 1 in your answer sheet. 82. A place of burial. Correct answer option 1 cemetery. The government by 83. Government by the represent of the people, option 2 democracy. 84. That which is against law, option 3 illegal. 85. One who has great love for one's country, option 1 patient. Revised answer. Directions. Question number 86 to 88 are based on degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Fill in the blanks with most appropriate words from the given alternative and shade blacken the corresponding circle according in your answer sheet. Example: a kite can't fly as dash as a plane. High, option 1 high, option 2 highest, option 3 higher, option 4 more high. Explanation: since option 1 is the correct choice for the above questions, so you must shade blacken option 1 in your answer sheet. 86. Dolly works, option 3 harder than Tom. 87. She speaks of dash of all, option 1 loudly, option 2 most loudly, option 3 the loudest. Option 1, 2, 3 are correct. 88. He doesn't sing as she does. It is grace marks question. 89. Directions. In question numbers 89 to 92, there are sentences which are divided and numbered into 3 parts, and one of the parts may contain an error. Identify the error by 1, 2, or 3 given under the parts of the sentence. If there is a no error, mark option 4 no error. Shade blacken the corresponding circle in your answer sheet. Example: neither he won nor his team too were present that day. 3. The sentence is neither he nor his team were present that day, and option 4 is no error. Explanation: the correct answer is in this case is option 3. It should be was present that day, so you must shade blacken the option 3 for this questions in your answer sheet. 89. 89 question: my two son-in-law have come to see me. Here my two son-in-law is 1, have come to see me is 3, and have is 2, have come is 2, to see me is 3, no error. 4. Here option 1 is my two son-in-law is correct, and is Tiki is 90. The Pacific is a deepest ocean in the world. The Pacific is 1, the deepest is 2, deepest ocean in the world is 3, no error is 4. The error is a deepest. 91. The coach told that every one of player have to attend the training. Option 3, no error. No sooner did the tiger is 92 is grace marks, and passage 93. Vocabulary means option 1 word stock, of 94 vocabulary could be enhanced